Good day, viewers. This is Dr. ABC, and I welcome you all to today's online mathematics class. On the board, it is linear equations rather, of course, from the continuation of what we did in our previous class. And the subject is mathematics. Okay, so we have 3 questions here, a little bit advanced from what we did last. We have 2 brackets, x plus 1 equal to 100, find the value of x. We have these 4 brackets, x plus 3, close bracket, now plus 2, open bracket, 2x minus 1 is equal to, after that close your bracket, equal to 18, find the value of x. And then the third one, 3x plus 9 is equal to 4x minus 1, find the value of x. Mind you, the x is just a variable. You can replace it, or you can be given a question where you have y as your variable, or where you have k as your variable, or where you have c, or any other variables or letters of the alphabet, whether Greek alphabet or English alphabet. Okay, 2 bracket x plus 1 is equal to 100. You have 2 ways of doing this. The first one is by opening your brackets. But if you do not want to open the brackets first, you can say divide both sides by 2. Because this 2, as a matter of fact, is serving as a coefficient to x plus 1. So what do? The first method, okay, let us solve it here using method 1. Or you can call it approach 1. This is approach 2. So what do? We have 2 brackets x plus 1 is equal to 100. So if we open the brackets, that is by distributing these 2 to x and 1, we are going to have 2x plus 2 times 1 is going to be 2 is equal to 100. Okay, shifting this, of course, it is easy from this point. Shifting this plus 2 to this side, we have our 2x is equal to 100 minus 2. And 100 minus 2 is 98. We have 2x is equal to 98. Divide both sides by 2. We have this, we cancel this. And then this into this, okay, we have x. 2 divided 9 is going to give us 4 remainder 1. We have 4. Carry the remainder and put here. We have 2 divided 18 is going to give us 9. That makes the value of x equal to 49. Now the second approach is, since we have our 2 brackets, x plus 1 equal to 100. Let us divide both sides by 2. And if we divide both sides by 2, we have over 2 over 2. This is going to take care of this. We now have our x plus 1 equal to 100 divided by 2 is going to give us 50. We now have equal to 50. Collect like terms or shift this plus 1 to this side. We have our x equal to 50 minus 1, x equal to 49. Okay, the second question. Okay, let us clean this part. The second question says, the second question is a little bit complicated, or we say complex, but with Mmuta, nothing is hard. 4 brackets x plus 1 plus 2 brackets 2x minus 1 equal to 18. How do you do this? Okay, so from this point, the best method or the best approach is to open your bracket. And if you do that, you have 4 times x to be 4x plus 4 times 3 is going to give you 12. So you have 12 plus. Okay, when I say 2 times 2x, 2x into 2 places, we have our 4x. Now 2 times minus 1. Of course, just write down your minus here because plus times minus is minus. And then 2 times 1 is 2 equal to 18. Okay, from this point, we are going to collect like terms by adding the ones with similar coefficients and variables. We now say 4x plus 4x is going to give us 8x. 12 minus 2, if you take away 2 from 12, you are going to get 10. That means 8x plus 10 is equal to 18. From this point, shift this 10 to this side. You have 8x is equal to 18 minus 10. 8x is equal to 18 minus 10 is 8. So we have 8. Now divide both sides by what is the summing x, which is 8 as the coefficient. You have over 8 over 8. Cancel, cancel. X is equal to 1. So x as the value of 1 satisfies our equation. If you want to verify, you can put 1 back. if 1 is here, you have 1 plus 3, which is 4. 4 times 4, the whole of this is going to give you 16. That's everything here is going to give you 16. Now 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is going to give you 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Now that 16 we got here plus the 2 is going to give us 18. Okay, that is a short way of checking whether what you got is correct. Thanks and God bless.